Time now for your weather on the 4s.
All right, coming up on 6:14 right now, meteorologist Cesar Conejo joining us now for weather on the 4s. Good morning. How are we looking out there this morning?
Well, Jared, so far right now, it's a great morning, but we have smoke hanging around. And one thing we can see with our There For You weather headlines is that we'll see smoky skies continue. Again, we'll see a little bit of a warming trend for us. Winds begin to pick up towards the end of the week, and then we'll take a look at what we expect to see for the weekend. Taking a look at our time lapse here for our Colonial Flight camera, you can just see how the smoke poured in throughout the day. You can see that it got a little bit thicker as the afternoon hours and evening hours really started to take hold. And just look at that. Those aren't clouds. That's wildfire smoke. And it really continues to still just hang around for us as we look right now with a live look outside. Oof. Look at that. We're still seeing some of that haze hanging around. It's a moderate air quality kind of day as we still see some moderate smoke still hanging around parts of the Wasatch Front. Light smoke continues over in parts of southern and eastern Utah and even parts of the southern part of eastern Nevada. So again, we continue to see wildfire smoke thanks to a high pressure system just dragging in everything, creating that clockwise motion. So we have that northwesterly flow. And as we look at the hourly forecast, we'll see that it's going to be hazy. Temperatures will slowly increase, but overall it's going to be a warm day. We expect to see temperatures really ranging around the 90s and even some triple digits. Again, that northwest flow brings in smoke from the wildfires and wraps it around parts of the northwest and brings it over into the Great Basin. Again, that clockwise rotation brings that in for us. It also spills in some heat, so we expect to see a slightly warmer day. Again, summertime temperatures are expected now. We're no longer going to sit in the 80s. It was a nice little break, but again, we no longer have that monsoonal moisture. And given we do not have that monsoonal moisture, we see drier, smokier air moving in and saying goodbye to the monsoon rains. So that continues to move on to the east and south. One thing we'll see here is as that high continues to meander towards the east, we'll see that some clouds can form, maybe some spotty high elevation showers. But again, tomorrow, that's where we continue to have stale air, just not really much movement because of that high pressure system. But going into Friday, we see a little bit of energy create a cold front, and that's where we start to clear out, hopefully, and winds begin to pick up also. Looking at the regional forecast for today, we're expecting to see temperatures ranging around the 90s for us, and we expect to see hazy skies. Looking at St. George's 7-day forecast, triple-digit heat is expected throughout the rest of this weekend into the weekend. We're hoping for a much better weekend as that cold front should help not only just cool temperatures, but also clear out our skies. Wasatch Front, very similar conditions. Smoky today. We can expect to see a little bit of cloud cover linger for parts of Thursday and warmer. Look at that. 101 will be our high, but then by Friday, that cold front really helps us out. Should clear out not only the cloud cover, but also the smoke, and we'll see a high of 88 before hitting the weekend into the 90s. Looking at the Wasatch